Welcome to Quiltster Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to customize your colorway in minutes using Quiltster.com. Today's quilt is the Seasonal Table Runner by Quiltworks. From your dashboard, click Create New under My Projects, search for the pattern in the Pattern Library, choose your template, and then name your project. Inside the project editor, choose the block group you want to color first and click Edit. Begin editing by choosing one section of the block and a fabric collection. Then all you need to do is click on a swatch and watch it instantly load in the space you've selected. Repeat those steps. Click a section, then click a swatch. Click a section, then click a swatch. And when you're done with that block, click Save in the bottom center of the screen to see what your quilt looks like so far. And if you like it, click Save again to save your project up to this point. That's very important. Then repeat that process until the entire quilt is filled with fabric. Choose a block group and click Edit. Then click a section and click a swatch. If you want to skip ahead to the next phase, go to 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Otherwise, let's finish coloring this quilt. In Details, you can check to make sure you've colored 100% of the quilt. In Yardage, you can see yardage by fabric and by block. On the print page, you can share your project with others using the link in the middle of the page, or you can view yardage here as well. Be sure to share your project to the Quiltster gallery when you're done. And visit your share page so that you can share your project on Facebook by clicking the Facebook share button at the top. And then tell your friends and family a little bit about what you made and make sure to tag Quiltster. And then before you post, update the privacy settings to public for this post only. Then post. Your post will show up on your Facebook wall, and if you tagged us, it will show up on our wall as well, and others will be able to like, share, and comment on your beautiful quilt. This concludes our tutorial on how to customize your colorway in minutes using Quiltster.com. If you haven't subscribed, visit Quiltster.com and do so now to join in the fun. And remember, every quilt has a story. The best ones begin with Quiltster. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.